Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and in addition to having a really impressive nutritional profile, there's something that this HYPERELEON olive oil has that many olive oils do not have, and that is big flavor. This olive oil has super fresh and bright olive flavor, and it has this pleasant bitterness to it that just fills up my whole mouth. I think it tastes exactly the way that true olive oil should taste. The taste is so full, layered, and complex, and it has this slight spiciness to it that pairs so well in a wide variety of dishes. Because of its freshness and the way that it is minimally processed, I feel really good knowing that I am putting something wholesome and nourishing into my body. Even though I do try my best to take care of myself, honestly, if something doesn't taste good, I probably won't eat it. I enjoy this olive oil so much. It is really different from any other olive oil I've had. Most of the ways that I've eaten this olive oil is unheated to hang on to that fresh flavor and nutrients, but I also used it for some focaccia bread, and the bread was off the charts good. It's been excellent poured on top of my homemade hummus, poured on poached eggs, and it went great in my simple lemon sauce for fresh pasta. I tend to have dry skin and eczema flare-ups, so good fats are so important to include in my diet to maintain my skin barrier. Now I am so happy to be getting them in one of the most delicious ways thanks to this HYPERELEON olive oil. And that's my point of view.